Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about our vision, what we are ultimately trying to achieve in TranZact. So first of all, let's talk about what the current platform does. So currently, companies use TranZact to manage their businesses. The three key functions of a business is that are sales, purchase, and inventory. Apart from that, we have got a very robust production system, especially for manufacturers, and a layer of reporting and business intelligence on top of that. So typically companies use our platform to create documents such as purchase order, sales order, invoices, etc. And they work together on the platform in a collaborative manner. So they can comment on the documents, they can manage the workflows, they can tag each other. So what our platform does is help these companies, different teams in these companies come together on a platform and work together towards growing their business. So that's the current state of the platform. Now, while creating the documents and doing the communication, a lot of data is being captured in the platform. So which we can bucket into three distinct categories. First is the transactional data, such as the information about their sales, purchase, payments, those data. Next is the product data, that what these companies buy, what these companies sell, what are the price points. And third is the network data, that who are the buyers, who are the customers, what are the different attributes of these companies. So we are able to capture data in these three distinct categories. So now our vision is that using this data that we are capturing on the platform, we want to build a transaction-backed marketplace. Now, marketplaces are typically of two types. One is the classified marketplace, wherein companies can go and list their names. Okay, that I am selling this XYZ material, so I'll just list myself on a website. That is called the classified marketplace. Then there are transaction-backed marketplace, wherein the platform itself intelligently determines different attributes of the companies, and then using those attributes, a marketplace is built. Now, suppose a company is selling XYZ material and they want to list themselves on the marketplace, then we as TranZact can confidently say that, okay, this company XYZ is selling so and so material. So, and using the transaction data, right? It's not just these companies telling what they buy or sell, but using the actual transaction data, we can do that. And not just what they are buying and selling, but other aspects as well, like what's their history in terms of delivery, payments, all those things we can show on the platform. So this creates a very intelligent marketplace, wherein we might be able to show only 2 or 3 options for something that a customer searches. Suppose I search that, okay, who is selling steel rods near me, right? So TranZact can only throw 2 or 3 results maybe, but those results will be verified and which will be of much more value than any other classified platform, which might throw 20 results, but you don't have any information about whether they actually sell the material or not, and what is their history. So in this diagram, you can clearly see that what are the data we are capturing over here at the bottom. So about data about the finished good and raw material, buyer, supplier, sales, purchase, transaction, payable, receivable, and the dispatch delays data. And this is captured by the transaction software. Now, using this data, we can help customers discover new suppliers, new customers, new line of credit, right? It's not just about discovery of new customers and suppliers, but also about discovery of new financial partner, new packaging partner, new logistic partners on the platform itself. So essentially, we want to be a platform which will help companies not only manage their current business, but help them to discover new business partners and grow as well. So that's our ultimate vision. Now, a very common question that we get is, does this breach the data privacy of our customers? So that's why I want to make it very clear over here that we take security very seriously over here at our company. So the data that we are capturing, first of all, it will be captured by the consent of the customers. Only those who have opt-in for the allied services. We won't be capturing and using this data for everybody. Next, we will only show the data in an aggregate manner. It will never disclose individual transactions. So for example, a company, I'm not going to say that, okay, company X has done so-and-so transaction with company Y. Rather, we'll tell that company X history of delivery is so-and-so. So it will be an aggregate data, and will never disclose individual transaction. So we need to ensure that this thing is communicated very clearly with our customers. So we as a TranZact members have to ensure that we are always transparent with the customers, that what kind of data we are capturing, how we are going to use it. And we have done that by having a very elaborate presentation on our homepage itself as soon as the company logs in. Do not hide anything in fine print. The situation should never come that we have to tell a company that, okay, you had checked, you have checked a box where we had written that will be capturing data. So you should be clear and transparent about what data we are capturing and how we are using it throughout the TranZact's journey. So that we need to make sure. I think that's it from the TranZact's vision perspective. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.